The Second World War. Bologna, Italy. I don't know how many of you people know that the Italian city of Bologna was heavily bombarded during the course of Second World War by the US Allied forces. And the reason behind the air raids given by the US Allied forces was to stop German movements in Italy, as in that era, Germany was an ally of Italy. Unfortunately, the ancient city of Bologna witnessed a complete destruction. And as we say, there is always a light at the end of the tunnel. After the war, the city rebuilt itself. And yes, an interesting fact. During the rebuilding of the city, Indian railway workers were sent to Italy to rebuild the city's railway and its railway yard. 71 odd years have passed since then. I think let us go to Bologna and find out how much it has changed since then.
Hi, my name is Ramit and I live in Italy, and this is Bologna. It is Italy's cultural capital, and tourists from all across Europe are here.
Centrally located in Europe, Bologna was declared the cultural capital of Europe in the year 2000. So Bologna was an Etruscan city which saw a lot of history through the course of time. This city is home to the world's oldest university, the University of Bologna. It is also Italy's one of the most wealthy cities. Automobile brands like Ducati, Ferrari comes from the same region. We can certainly say that Italy's economic powerhouse runs from Bologna. Bologna has always been an epicenter for Italy's left-wing politics. No wonder this city is also called the Red City. Beautiful arched corridors defines the spirit of the city. Bologna has turned out to be a beautiful fusion of its past and its present. The elegance of the city is not only visible in its architecture, it is present in its overall vibe. I would like to visit the city again. Would you feel the same? Please let me know. Through the course of time, Bologna has not changed a lot. It has kept its spirit alive and intact. For now, I conclude here. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you do liked it. I will keep making such videos. Till then, ciao.